What's up guys, Joseph here. So today we're going to be going to my boy Matt's house. He's got this carbon fiber steering wheel he's going to be installing in his SI. It's going to be clean. It's like white stitching, white leather, carbon, top, bottom. It's going to be cool. Some guy, he messaged on Instagram, he's going to install it for like $60, pretty cheap. Yeah, so we'll be heading there. I'll show you some more of it. So yeah, catch you guys there.
I'll be up here later.
Yo, what's up? Back at it again with the car mods.
Part 2, day 2 of trying to install this.
This time we got Matt's SI.
Oh, my shit dirty, bro.
It's okay, we're only doing your steering wheel today.
I'll move it. Down to start this in a while. Here, guy, get the cold start with that guy.
Oh, cold start. That's cute.
Dude, I have no gas, bro. Like, literally, look. It's like no gas.
You're running on empty fumes.
Should I just get gas
so
now?
This is the steering wheel.
It's before.
We're replacing.
It's before. Should I go get...
This should be fine.
Here?
Yeah. If anything, you can move it up more later. Alright, here's the unboxing.
We're gonna do an unboxing real quick. So what we have here is the FKX Racing dry carbon custom white steering wheel. So it's dry carbon on the top, white with a red stitching, flat bottom. So the story of this wheel is that they sold out already of this, but they kept it on the website. So then when my girlfriend Melissa bought this, it's already sold out, but she emailed them and then they were like, alright, we'll make one more. So they had to make one more. So they made one more for me and they shipped it from Taiwan. The cool thing about this is OEM, so you still have your airbags and all the buttons. So
She clean.
super clean. This is sturdy. Love it.
It's like something else.
Little peepees. I like the thing, the carbon is nice. Like, it's real carbon, so.
Oh, it's nice and thick in the hands.
It's so, the ergonomics is so good. Your hand just like sinks in.
So this is the original steering wheel. It's cool. Got his Mugen shift knob, Mugen button. It's cool. It's cool. Broadway mirror. Kakashi.
Does everyone call you Leo to do stuff? To do like tangents? Are you the guy?
No, not necessarily. I mean, I always mess around with people's car. Like,
the guy installing Matt's new wheel. Matt's girl. Shit's clean. Those taillights are nice. Yo, DM some nudes to Blue Ranger. What do you think, Matt? What do you think of his car?
Nothing nicer than mine. Nothing nicer than mine. It's sick though. You see, I was gonna get that one, the body glove.
Yeah, I changed it because everyone has them.
But then that one, I like this though. This one goes all the way down.
Has a ring guard?
Yeah. See, mine stops here. Oh, okay.
Yo, Matt, show me your stock one.
Oh, the stock. I think he has it. Possibly.
The ugly stock steering wheel. It's like a frisbee. Go long.
Not too bad though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, the steering wheel's done. How does it feel?
30 minutes, bro. That's crazy.
Leaving.
Now Matt's girl in here. Oh, that's clean.
So nice.
Rose her dirty hands all over. I'm just kidding.
Bye.
It's gonna stall.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Bye.
Yeah, so that's how it looks. The back of Melissa's head.
What? Sorry.
Damn, no one can get these steering wheels anymore. They're discontinued.
Yes.
Hit up my boy Matt if you're trying to buy his.
My dad just came home too, bro.
Yo, how does it feel?
It is going go! It's like we're going nowhere. It's so like, or like it's like the dip is here, so your hands automatically go here.
Is it comfortable?
It's very comfortable, super comfortable. To what? Turn. It is. I mean, it's a flat bottom, so you get when you're turning like this, you feel it. So you're like, what the? It feels because you're constantly driving. You know what I mean? It's a driver mod.
Yeah.
The one thing you're always gonna be holding in the car is the wheel. If you're driving it, so it's comfortable. It has the thing on top here, the grip, like the little grooves in the back, so your hand could rest here. It has the bottom here. If you're like driving like this, you can hold it like this. So yeah. I like it.
Well, there's Matt's review. Get a steering wheel while you can.
Yeah, definitely recommend getting a steering wheel, but get a carbon fiber one. You don't get like
Carbon fiber.
Get the carbon fiber. You don't want to get like, they have ones that are like fake carbon, but if you're gonna spend the money, you might as well buy the real one.
Yeah.
Unless you want the brand, unless you just want the name. Like the names, like sometimes the one with the names, they have like, it's like the glossy one, but it's like not real carbon.
Like the Buddy Club.
Like the Buddy Club. Like that.
Well, you heard that, guys. Get a steering wheel.
Definitely. Because I was gonna get a Buddy Club one before. What the fuck is this right there?
I have no clue. Okay, till next time. Hopefully he buys more mods, Matt. So we can install them. Alright, catch you guys.